Hi guys, so this is Baby Sagini whose two eyes was removed in Kisii town. Kisii town is in Kenya, and this baby here is a 3-year-old. So the baby doesn't stay with the mom. It is said that the father chased the mom away, and this baby has been staying with the grandma. And yesterday he went missing for 6 hours. Then he was found in the garden with the face full of blood, and when he was taken to the hospital, the doctors found that the two eyes were removed, and now this baby cannot see again. So keep watching and know what's happening. Don't forget to subscribe.
Hi, hello everyone. I hope you are doing fine. I'm recording this from kisii Hospital, where Baby Sagini is admitted at the moment. Yeah, so I'm recording this specifically for this group because there is a lot of misunderstanding in this group concerning the contribution, the contribution and the admin of this group. People are complaining. People are afraid of channeling their contribution to someone they don't know. Yeah, so as kisii Hospital, we want to tell you that we welcome you all to see Baby Sagini. If at all you have something small for Baby Sagini, tunakaribisha sana kuja patia mtoto kitu yako kidogo, at least ndo kuwe sure kitu inafikia mtoto. Yeah, that is all. If at all you can access kisii Hospital, we welcome you.
You give your donation.
Give your donations. We welcome you all. Thank you so much.
When the baby disappeared, where was he? Because we are told shamba penye mama nyanya anaishi na shamba ya Mtoni ni shamba moja, na mtoto amepotea katika hii shamba moja, and within a span of a few hours mtoto hana macho, and within a span of a few hours mtoto amepatikana with the same family member who called the boy. I want just to mention the name Toto, Umura, na Baba, na Tom. Tell us exactly what happened na macho ya mtoto iko wapi. Because when I just sit down crying nikifikiria ni mtu alienda akakidnap mtoto akachukua macho, then vifaa za kungoa mtoto macho zipatikane kwa mama, it pains me completely. It makes me think like we are not even animals, because what we are doing is just beyond what an animal can do. So exactly what happened? I'm even asking myself, wakati yote ilikuwa inafanyika, what pain that the boy undergo? Hiyo pain ya kutolewa jicho moja, not even under anesthesia. Alitolewa kama anasikia, tena pain nyingine ya macho ingine. So wakatoa yote, wakaacha mtoto just blank. Mtoto totally darkness. Because mtoto anasema niliamka nikapata ya kwamba kumekuwa giza. So according to him, it was already evening. According to him, the darkness ilikuwa ni ya usiku, sio macho yake.